Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my holiday binder. I have $50 in prop money, and let's get started. Oh, I keep forgetting I have $51. Had a dollar from last week. So let's get started. Start with Thanksgiving. And I think, yeah, this is a new one in here. Oh, and for my holiday binder, I went ahead and put some trackers in here so I can see exactly where I am with my goal. So I made a goal for each holiday. So right now for Thanksgiving, I'm at $205 and my goal is $250. And I went through my stash of challenges. And I found this challenge created by Bookish Mama Budgets, and it says 45, so that would give me that 250. So that is perfect. So let's go ahead. Let's roll a die. So 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So yeah, I did that for each holiday, so I can see exactly where I am, because I am that type of person. I like to know like exactly 5, 7, and 8. Next is Black Friday, and my goal for Black Friday is $500, and I'm at 175. And oh, I'm almost finished with this one. This one is also created by Bookish Mama Budgets. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is a 2. Perfect. And I do use prop money for you guys that are new. And thank you so much for the new subscriber. Thank you for all 400 of you guys. I truly appreciate and love every one of you guys. So I do use prop money, and what I do when I complete a challenge, I just transfer. When I get paid, I get paid bi-weekly. So when I get paid, I determine how much I will put towards each savings, each binder, and I just transfer that money straight into my high yield savings account. And I should have brought it with me. I have like a tracker of what I completed and how much and where does it go. So that's how I keep track of my saving challenges and what's in my high yield savings. And the high yield savings account that I use is Capital One. So yes, just keep it in there until I need it. And I don't know why I just did this one. And that's it earns some interest with the money just sitting there, and I will just transfer it to my checking account when I need it. So that was an 8, and this is created by Cajangirlcreates. And this is a Christmas scratch and save saving challenge book. So it has all these nice scratch and save images of Santa Claus. So cute. And did I tell you guys my goal for Christmas is $1,000? So, and I'm at 118 so far. New Year. This is created by Snow Garden 307. And let's go ahead and roll 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is a 3. And what's my goal? Goal for New Year is 120. And I just started this one, I think last month, and it says 50. We don't do too much for New Year. I just cook a nice little New Year's dinner. And that's about it. This is saving for Valentine's Day. This is created by Stuff and Budget. And this is a mystery say. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is a 4. 2, 3, and 4. And yeah, Valentine's Day is a goal of 120. Next we have is Easter. And this goal, I believe, is $200, because I love to cook a nice Easter dinner. This says 50, created by Budget with Carly. So 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that is a 7. Oh, it's my bathroom cleaner die? So $7, 5, 6, and 7. Next is birthday. And birthday is a goal of 300. The next birthday I got is in October. Yes, so this is created by Snowgirl 307. Say 75 on this side, and this side is 80. So let's roll 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that is an 8. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11 more dollars. Let's see. I could put, let's do 5 over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 more dollars. And let's go ahead and color in a 5. So 5. Let this dry. I'm actually just going to set this up here, let that dry. And then I did remember to put a buffer in here this time. So this is just going to be my catch-all. And this is a buffer for anything I may need. Say Thanksgiving I come up short, I can pull from the holiday buffer. So yeah, so this is like a holiday buffer. And see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. I could, let me see. Before I do that, I do only have one scratch here. Let's cheat and see. Is that less than $6 I need? I need to really clean these envelopes. Oh my gosh, that's going to drive me crazy. So how much I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $6. And this one is 45. Am I close to that? So 20, 30, 35, 39, 40, 41. So 41, so that should be $4, right? All right, let's do it. If my math is mathing. Yes, 4. Perfect. So let's put $4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $2 left. Okay, okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. I swear every time I film, it's like my voice leaves. So this is $45 saved for Black Friday. And I'm just going to put that back in here because I don't even have a pen around me. Oh dear. So I would write the 45 completed for Black Friday. Say yes. All right. So let's put this back in here for birthday. And then let's go to our, it's a roll and save. This is created by Bookish Mama Budgets. It's a roll and save, but I'm just using it as a catch-all. So I would just put $2 in here. So let's do orange. So let's do $2. Perfect. And I was watching Jamie Ariane Budgets, and I love that she has a buffer binder. I was like, that is so genius. I'm gonna have to put that in the back of my mind. I'm like, no, I don't need another binder, but I'm like, that is very clever. I like that. All right, so that is $50 put into my holiday binder. Thank you everyone once again for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember, gems, to stay magical. Bye, gems.